All welcome to my channel. In this video you will see 4 accidents based on real-life events. Do not forget to put a like and write a comment, and we begin. Chapter 1. Tragic Theft. That evening, at around 2:30 p.m., a tragic accident occurred on a busy highway near Dayton, Ohio. The sun was still shining on the road, and traffic was heavy. Suddenly, a silver Toyota Corolla drove onto the motorway at high speed from a nearby street. The car was driven by a 12-year-old child who, taking advantage of the moment when his parents were talking in the next room, stole the car keys and decided to take a dangerous trip. Excited by the new feeling of freedom, the boy raced down the road, having no driving experience and no understanding of the traffic rules. He was rapidly gaining speed and decided to overtake the car in front of him. Having misjudged the distance and speed, the Toyota Corolla crashed into a white Honda Civic that was moving in its own lane. The impact was so severe that the Corolla lost control, went off the road, and after several rollovers, stopped only on the roadside. The 12-year-old driver died on the spot from the force of the impact and his injuries, with no chance of survival. The driver of the Honda, a 42-year-old man, suffered minor injuries but was taken to hospital for examination. This tragedy was a shocking reminder of the importance of controlling access to vehicles and the responsibility of adults in such situations. Chapter 2. Slick Collision. On a gloomy evening, a highway near Memphis, Tennessee, was the scene of a major accident. The driver of a black sedan had pulled over to the side of the road near a forest to use a porta-potty. When he returned to the car, the rain began to intensify, and the driver wasted no time in getting back on the road, eager to get home as soon as possible, but the wet asphalt made driving much more difficult. The driver of a black sedan decided to overtake a black Toyota Hilux pickup truck, which was moving quietly in the left lane. However, the slippery road and high speed led to a loss of control over the car. The sedan skidded and crashed into the pickup, after which it was thrown to the side. The car collided with a white car, which was already on the roadside because the driver of the white car had stopped earlier, unable to keep the vehicle on the wet road, and was trying to assess the situation. Luckily, the Toyota Hilux pickup truck was barely damaged, and its driver was unharmed. The driver of the white car was equally lucky and did not suffer any injuries. However, the driver of the black sedan, who became the central figure in this drama, was seriously injured and needed immediate assistance. Chapter 3. Fatal Descent. Unfortunately, the cars I used to simulate the third accident do not have the ability to add dummies that would convey the human presence in the car. So I apologize for the fact that this is a bit off the mark. Thank you for your understanding. This story is about a family that went on holiday, but their trip turned into a tragedy. A father, mother, and their 2-year-old daughter were traveling through a picturesque canyon in a red Jeep Wrangler, enjoying the warmth of a sunny day. The road meandered between steep cliffs and deep precipices, adding a special charm to the trip, but at the same time requiring great care. At first glance, everything seemed to be going well. The car was driving steadily, and the scenery was stunning. But in an instant, everything changed. The Jeep, which had been confidently moving along the road just a second ago, suddenly swerved to the side and rolled down the canyon slope. It seemed that the car had simply lost control for no apparent reason. It happened so unexpectedly that there was no way to correct the situation. This simulation reminds us all how important it is to be careful when traveling. The unpredictability of the road can be fatal, even if it seems that control over the situation is not lost. Chapter 4. Tragic Breakdown. It was 7:30 in the morning, an ordinary road near the small town of Glendale, Arizona. A blue truck transporting metal structures was speeding down the highway. Behind the wheel was 42-year-old Mike Randall, an experienced driver with many years of experience. Mike was confident in his truck, but this time the technology let him down. The truck was traveling at a high speed when Mike realized that the brakes were not working. He pressed the pedal several times, but to no avail. The system failed. A red Lada Samara was traveling in front of him and suddenly began to slow down. The car's driver, 36-year-old Emma Carter, was on her way to work and was unaware of the impending danger. Mike, realizing that he could not avoid the collision, tried to honk his horn, but the distance was closing too fast. The impact was inevitable. The blue truck crashed into the back of the Lada Samara at full speed. The powerful impact threw the red car to the side of the road, while the blue truck continued straight ahead and barely stopped a few dozen meters away. Emma, who was in the car, was fatally injured. Her car was heavily damaged, and although rescuers arrived quickly, they were unable to save her. I hope you enjoyed my implementation of these accidents. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create even more interesting and high-quality videos for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episodes.